To this video about the Node.js test runner. So whenever you are working in some kind of web development project, or you want to become a free coder and make your own website, make sure to test your code really patiently and really thoughtful. Today I want to talk about setup and tear down uh, functions or structures in your test. So uh, you need to kind of set up your environment, initialize some uh, data or mock some behavior in advance of your test, then run your actual test. Afterwards, you kind of need to clean up um, after you have run your test. So you delete, I don't know, the data structures so they are not, I don't know, the customer will not see them on your website or whatever. So if you are trying to make money online, with your website or something like this, you should think about testing your code thoughtfully. So I want to initialize a new or make a new file, set up teardown.test.js. That's the file we will be working with today. And yeah, so as always, we want to import our modules so we can work with those. We need the node test module and the assert statement from the assert.strict library or module, so we can run those tests. So as a next, we want to declare a test, and yeah, we basically want to test up, setup, and teardown. We need to declare it as async, and yeah, there we want, or we need to declare files that will be, or processes that will be executed before our test run, and processes that happen afterwards. This is crucial. So the first one is t.before, and then we will just call a function that yeah, is basically runs once before all tests. This is important to know. So I don't know, you want to initialize some test data. Yeah, we will stick to whatever AI is giving us. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. If you want to make a test data bank or mock some behavior, this is the way to go. So you just have, like, I don't know, when you have a payment service, you need to make a new customer to see whether or not it is working. Okay, so then the actual test will start. So okay, so you will need the await statement because we are working async. Await, so it needs to wait till the folder is, and I want to use the to test the length, or test the element, whatever you want to do. I just want to see whether or not the length of test data equals 3. Array length, this is really just the easiest thing. Length, yeah, just, you know, keep that in mind. So you need the assert statement. Oh my god, Copilot is already doing everything for me. Test data dot length is asserted to be 3, Why is this not equal? Wait one moment. Okay, I have forgotten some details here. The arrow was missing, and here the comma dot point was missing. So this will happen before. This is the actual test. Can also run other types of tests, but this is the main thing. And then after, you want to kind of clean up maybe. And let test data, yeah, deleted, so it will not overflow your wait, t after, okay, so another point, okay, so yeah, seems to be that. Okay, we have forgot some dot point. Let's see if we can run it and what it will say. So node minus minus test subtest test.js, but we don't want to use the file subtest. We need the set up tear down test.js. Failing test. Okay, test data is not defined. Let test data. Test data. Let test data equal like that. And then I want to fill this with live. Length. Oh, the typo. Maybe there was the error probably. Wait. Oh. Set up tear down test.js. What is happening? Testing setup and tear down. Test data is not defined. Reference error. Test date. Test data. Oh my god. I think this test data. Test data. I don't know. I will just I'm going to ask AI. I don't know. Oh, okay, no, okay. Yeah. So yeah. Keep in mind then that whenever you're testing some kind of application, you don't want to overflow or overflood your system with testing variables, with mocking some kind of things. So you need to, yeah, prepare and clean up afterwards, after testing. Yeah, so the next video I want to make about skipping and to-do tests. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out and try this yourself in your web application, and hopefully one day we will write a website that can make us some money and become a free independent coder and code whatever you want to do. Until next time.